Assalamu alaikum my dear friends and fan. I hope you are all well. It was built in 2020. Don't make the mistake of thinking the same model again. The model of the picture is 6000 series and the model you are currently looking at is 6015. It was the work of on order, so try to make instant, and I also set a new targeting time, but it was not possible to complete the work on time. Even then I finished the work in 19 hours. One thing needs to be clarified here that 19 hours does not mean that the work is completed in 19 consecutive hours. Working 3 to 4 hours daily means 19 hours in 7 days. Anyway, I started making it on 8th October 2021 and finished it on 12th October 2021. The engine is 28 cm long, 5.5 cm wide and 7.5 cm high. The model I have made is one of the most popular series in Bangladesh Railway. Engine is able to run but have to push. I always try to make at least 90% to match the original. The weight of the engine is much higher because of all things that it takes to make it. 90% of it is paper. The rest of the material I collected from different types of plastic, iron and wire. Many of you may know how to make it, but no, this time I made the engine in a completely different way. Check out the link below to see it. So anyway, you can comment on how you like this paper engine model made with different types of discarded things. And if you like the video, you will inspired by liking it. Subscribe to the channel to see the new paper model. What else can I say? I wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.